Hello guys, good morning. This is Magiraj here, and today I am going to get discuss about the work done in isothermal process and work done in adiabatic process. So first of all, we will discuss about the work done in isothermal process. So work done in isothermal process. Okay. So we know that dW equals to P into dV, and it is from V initial to V final, means V1 to V2. Okay, but this is the work done in isothermal process, and isothermal process follows the Boyle's law. PV equals to K, means P equals to K by V. So this value put in this equation. So by equation first, integral 1W dW is equals to W A by V dV from V1 to V2. So it is equals to W K बाहर कर देंगे 1 by V dV from V1 to V2, and integral of this is log V from V1 to V2, and put this limit. So W equals to K, and value of K is equals to PV. So PV log base E V2 minus log base E V1, upper limit minus lower limit. So we can write this PV log base E V2 by V1, because this is the property log m by n equals to log m minus log n. ये log की प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर दिया, यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा. अब यहाँ पर देखिएगा, बेस ई को जब बेस 10 में चेंज करते हैं, सो इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2.303 into PV log base 10 V2 by V1. Okay, and we can also write this PV equals to nRT. So W equals to PV equals to nRT. Using this, so W equals to 2.303 nRT log base 10 V2 by V1. Okay, this, and in both formula of the work done we can also put the P1 by P2 equals to V2 by V1. In this way, by this W equals to 2.303 PV log base 10 P1 by P2, or W equals to 2.303 nRT log base 10 P1 by P2. So in this way there will form these four formulas of work done in isothermal process. Okay, so we know that dW equals to P into dV from V1 to V2, and isothermal process follows the Boyle's rule. So due to this PV equals to K, according to this P equals to K by V, and we will put this value of P in first equation. So integral of dW equals to W K by V dV. Okay, so it is equal to K1 by V dV from V1 to V2, and integral of 1 by x dx equals to log x. So it is equals to log V from V1 to V2. Putting this limit, upper limit minus lower limit, and using this property of log m by n equals to log m minus log m. So it is equals to PV log base E V2 by V1, and whenever we will change this base E replaced into base 10, then multiply by 2.303 to balance this. So this work done formula will be this, and whenever we will put the PV equals to nRT, so according to this W equals to 2.303 nRT log base 10 V2 by V1, and we will put according to Boyle's rule P1 V1 equals to P2 V2, so P1 by P2 equals to V2 by V1. So we will put the value of V2 by V1 in both equations. So new formula to the two new formula W equals to this. Okay, so according to this we will solve the work done in isothermal process. And now we will solve the work done in adiabatic process. Work done in adiabatic process. So you know that formula of work done will be this, and for adiabatic process follows the Poisson rule, and you know that Poisson rule is this: PV to raised power gamma equals to K. According to this, P equals to K by V power gamma, or P equals to K into V power minus gamma. ओके, देखिए कि यहाँ पर दो चीजें और भी जरूरत पड़ेंगी, आगे हम इनका यूज करेंगे. सो P1 equals to K V1 power minus gamma. It means P1 by K equals to V1 power minus gamma, and P2 by K equals to V2 power minus gamma. इनकी जरूरत पड़ेगी, हम यूज करेंगे. सो नाउ बाय इक्वेशन फर्स्ट पुट दिस वैल्यू. ओके, P की जगह K V power minus gamma. सो बाय इक्वेशन फर्स्ट W equals to V1 to V2 and value of P is equals to K V power minus gamma dV. Okay, K बाहर कर दीजिए. इंटीग्रल V1 to V2 V power minus gamma dV, and you know that integral of x power n dx equals to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So using this formula we will obtain W equals to K V power minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1, limit V1 to V2. Okay, and this 1 minus gamma is constant, so we can also K by minus gamma plus 1 or 1 minus gamma, and put the limit V2 power minus gamma plus 1 minus V1 power minus gamma plus. Okay, so you can break it. W equals to K upon 1 minus gamma V2 power minus gamma into V2 power 1 minus V1 power minus gamma into V1 power 1. मल्टीप्लाई में पावर ऐड होती हैं, पावर ऐड है तो हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई में ऐसे रख सकते हैं. देखिएगा यहाँ पर V2 पावर माइनस गामा और V1 पावर माइनस गामा हमने पहले ही ये सॉल्व कर रखा है. ये वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट कर दीजिए. तो W इक्वल्स टू K 1 माइनस गामा V2 इक्वल्स टू P2 बाई K V2 माइनस P1 बाई K V1. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस W इक्वल्स टू P2 V2 माइनस P1 V1 अपॉन K. सो K से K कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू W equals to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 upon 1 minus gamma. Okay, or PV equals to nRT. So P1 V1 equals to nRT1 and P2 V2 equals to nRT2. So all these value put in this equation. So W equals to nR दोनों से बाहर कर दीजिए. T2 minus T1 upon 1 minus gamma. So it is the work done in adiabatic process. So in this way we can solve the work done in adiabatic process. Okay.